In this video, we'll post NC code into Code Expert. We'll look at the features in Code Expert, and we'll take a look at a couple of the changes we made in our last exercises in our NC code. I'm in the Sync Manager with our part saved off where we left it. We're ready to post our NC code. To do that, I'll go to the upper left-hand corner to the G1 Post button. And you can see that our tab gets a lock on it while it's processing. Well, the first thing you'll notice is that we have three tabs now. Start Page tab, the Sync Manager tab where we posted from, and we have a new tab with our NC code in it. You can see that we have no program number, we have no job number, and we have no programmer. Now the programmer we set as a default in the consumer layer. So if I look at the consumer layer, go to Output Settings and Header, we can see that I put my name in there, Bill M. Normally, that would show up right here under Programmer Name. But because we set the defaults in the middle of a part file, we're not going to see them until we start a new part file, at which point the programmer name set up in the consumer layer will show up here. So I'll go ahead and put that in. And for a job number, I'll stick in some number. And you'll notice that our icon turns mustard yellow. That's because we made some changes in the IOF, and it doesn't match our part file anymore. So I also want to change the program number. To do that, I'm going to come into the part file and go into Tool Settings. And you'll notice that Mastercam won't let me do that. It won't let me open that. And that is because we are no longer synced with our IOF. So if I save our IOF, it turns green. I can now go into Tool Settings. I'll change our program number to 1234. Say OK. Now if I want to save this at this point, I need to go ahead and save the part file, which will save my latest changes from the IOF and my program number. So now if I go back to my Sync Manager, I have a lock on it. I have a lock on it because I need to repost from the part file. This will update my IOF with the latest changes from the part file. So now we are synced again, and I'm going to repost our code. And you can see it overwrites the NC code we had. So now I have a program number, 1234, I have a job number, and I have a program name. Let's take a look at a couple of changes we made with our custom reference positions in the last exercise. I want to go up to the ribbon, and in the Tools group, use the Next button. That'll bring me to the first tool change. Then I'll do it one more time. Brings me to the second tool change. And right above there, we have our Park Turret Right reference position executed, right at the end of operation number 2. You can see the retract move above. Then the turret park is executed here. There's 0 movement in X and Y, shown as U and V. On the next line, we move the turret 375 millimeters from home position. This was done just to show the tools that are available with the reference positions. Next, I'm going to go to Control F, and I'm going to search for T0808. That's our cutoff. It brings us down to our cutoff operation. And right above the cutoff operation, we have all the part handling operations. And the very first operation was the turret park. In the turret park for cutoff reference position we created, we told Mastercam we wanted to move 78.3 millimeters from spindle origin. So we got a G28W0, a G53U0V0, and then it gives us an incremental move of W-93.7. And that's the position it'll hold, which is the same as Z.5. And you can see that right after the Z.5, we actually execute the cutoff.